I like these old Torados, the first generation. These are just so elegant, absolutely elegant. Look at this Chevy, about 33. They're like baby Cadillacs at that point. That's beautiful Dodge. Plymouth.
It is a good place to stand.
Of course it is, because he got great commentary running. 51.
All the other No, I know.
Hupmobile, folks. Hupmobile. I never saw one that small.
Look at it. It's got wheel hop back there too, trying to get up the hill.
Oh, look at that compliant suspension. You know, those springs. Oh, very early Karmann Ghia coming in back of the Chevy. This is a very early Ghia.
This one got standing up here too.
Look how skinny those tires are. Look at that. Does not have trafficators. Does have the small taillights. This is a Jordan, folks. That's gorgeous. I love these Jordans. I had to catch that Suburban real quick. Austin Healey 3000. Javelin. SST. Rambler American. Hey, look at the Rambler American. And that's the Rogue.
Hey, here comes a Pinto.
Where? All right, Pinto now.
Hand me that rock.
Little Triumph Herald. All right, Sunbeam Alpine. Sunbeam Alpine, folks. Beautiful Chevy. Look at this Bonnie. The length of this thing, tri-power. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Drop top caddy. And yes, we're not joking. There's the Pinto.
He's proud of it now.
I know.
Oh, that's a low one.
Actually, I tell you something. Yeah. I actually like the Pinto, and I would love a wagon. I had a couple of them. I like that vinyl top routine. Miatas are now old enough.
I had two Sport Cruiser.
Yeah, right. Look at this
Sport
Pierce.
Cruiser Pinto that had the
Yes.
four windows.
Yeah, those were cool.
I had two of them.
Oh my gosh, that was the hot ticket.
Get about 1,000
Look at this
miles per
Pierce.
gallon.
No, they only got 20s, mid-20s to high 20s, that's it. Oh, Jeep forward control, look at that. Listen to this locomobile, folks. This 1910, the chassis alone was 10 grand in 1910. See, you get an idea of the size of these cars. Little Chevrolet, that was a Plymouth, the green one in the back. And of course, we always have to have a Smokey and the Bandit with the flying chicken on the hood. Little TA, no T-tops though, we need T-tops. Very early Bug, look at the feelers. Mercury Woody in the back, I'm gonna grab that Woody. Boy, you're shooting fast. Look at this, with the glass top. That's the Victoria. Nice Chevy. This is an SS, folks. Not a Jaguar, but an SS. This preceded the Jaguar. This is actually what made the company. Here comes the Mercer.
I can snap within less than a second.
That is amazing. I love it. This is the Mercer, folks. This car is all original. Lozier. Look at all the folks here, including in the mechanic's seat on the side. Oh, Plymouth Fury. Remember riding the back of those things? Oh, Mustang. In from Ontario, a beautiful Dodge. Rumble seat coupe.